Naya P. Yocampo. To present the graduates from Humanities and Social Sciences Strand Section Onyx, let me call on their advisor, Ms. Shermaine de Los Angeles.
Thank you, ma'am. I am honored to present to you the graduates of Humanities and Social Sciences Section Onyx. Josh Warren D. Bustamante, with high honors. Justin J. C. De La Cruz. Raven Sky M. Lasala. Mark Daniel B. Lonsaga, with high honors. Jomar Malasaga, with honors. Rain Lawrence Monroy. Gregorio R. Pia Jr. Mary Ann Grace Shercy D. Anala, with honors. Yesha Cassidy B. Bagsik, with honors. Jana Riza Mea G. Bandojo. Diane A. Carpentero. Patricia A. Cruz. Dana E. De La Tonga. Angel May C. De Vera, Best in Athletics, with honors. Princess Angie Fernandez, with honors. Micaela B. Gugolin. Angeline L. Guillermo. Mariel B. Libuna, with honors. Eliza S. Mamaril. Mary Rose Nebrao. Crisalyn J. Papa, with honors. Joanne M. Pinca, with honors. Zay M. Relox, with honors. Princess Jasmine Santos, with honors. And Maria Luisa Micaela C. Tabiolo. To present the graduates of TVL Home Economics